Welcome to the tutorial on using Rescan Confocal Microscope or RCM unit with the open source platform for microscope imaging, Micromanager. Micromanager supports multiple platforms, Windows, Mac and Linux, and provides an open plugin interface for adding new devices. Combined with ImageJ, Micromanager provides a full-featured microscope management and image processing package, comparable in capabilities to commercial solutions. It is distributed free of charge and under an open source license. To start, choose the configuration from this menu. The configuration defines the devices you will be able to control. After the configuration file is loaded, the main window displays the current settings and shows the status of selected devices. The main window for Micromanager is where you get access to all the features of Micromanager and control the RCM unit. On the left side, you see the imaging modes Snap, Live, Album, Multi-D Acquisition. To obtain a single image from the camera, press the Snap button. A display window will pop up with the acquired still image. You can use any of the available ImageJ tools to analyze, save, or edit the image. Live button gives you a stream of snapped images. With the Album button, you can collect a series of still images in an image series window. The first time you click the Album button, a new series window will open with a fresh image obtained from the camera. Every time you click the Album button thereafter, a new image will be added to the series. In addition, at the bottom of the window there are shortcut buttons to save the image, enter live mode, or send images to album. Click the Save button to write all the images in series window to disk. To assign color or change lookup table, press the setting icon and click New Inspector window. Change color mode from grayscale to color. Click the color box to open the color palette and choose your color. On the right, we have the RCM unit controls. Field of view. To set the area scanned, the pixel size is independent of the scanned area. Laser select. To change excitation wavelengths. Laser powers. To modulate the laser powers for each channel. Light path. To choose the switch between eyepiece with channels, bypass mode with channels, and RCM. System. To initialize settings for the RCM. The GUI shown is completely customizable. You can make use of the eyepiece for a quick scan of your slide and to check for staining. With the bypass mode, you can scan the slide to find the region of interest without having to use the eyepiece. Push the knob on the RCM unit to change the light path to bypass mode. Select the bypass mode from the light path group. Set a low exposure time of say 100 milliseconds to make sure we do not saturate the camera. Adjust the focus. Please see the histogram once you have an image to check of saturated pixels to adjust exposure and, if possible, power of the epi-light source. Please make sure that you switch the RCM unit back to RCM mode. Change the light path in the software. Snap an image. If you wish to perform a multi-channel experiment, set laser powers for other channels as well in the same manner as we described earlier. To acquire multi-image stacks, press the Multi-D-Acquisition button to open the Acquisition Control dialog. Micromanager allows you to create a stack, multi-slice, Z-coordinates, as a multi-channel, wavelength coordinates, multi-frame, time coordinates, multi-position, XY coordinates, or as any combination of these. Activate Z-Stack in the Multi-D-Acquisition window. We can choose to set the volume in two ways. In the Absolute Z mode, you define the top and bottom of the volume. We will go by the Absolute Z mode. We can make use of a bypass mode to quickly run a live scan. Find the lower limit by taking the objective down. Click Set. Now, run the objective up to find the upper limit. Click Set. Press Acquire. In the Relative Z mode, you define the home position, or the center of the volume, and define the limits. Let's perform a multi-channel experiment. Activate channel in the Multi-D-Acquisition window. From the Channel Group drop-down menu, choose Channel. Press New to add a channel. You may choose to change the order in which the channels are taken using the drop-down menu from the Configuration column. You can assign colors by pressing the colored icon in the Color column. Let's find a new region by making use of the bypass mode. Press Acquire.